doing push-ups this way, you are actually leaving so many gains on the table. If you're doing half-ass reps, you will get half-ass results. Also, you're not in relationship with the floor, so stop lowering your back, and you're probably not engaging your core muscles that much. Do this instead. Keep your back straight to increase the weight on your triceps and your chest. Also, slow down your movement whenever you go down to increase the stimulation for hypertrophy, and lock out your elbows.
Here's how you can do the perfect push-up. Start by placing your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Next, instead of starting at the top of the movement, which could lead to going down with your head or your hips first, we're actually going to start at the bottom. Next thing, don't put your elbows too far in or too far out. Place them at a 45-degree angle. And now, using the floor, I found that this helps a lot because it ensures that you come up evenly. It's going to be a lot harder, but it'll be proper form, so give it a try.